Family, welcome back to another episode of Mantica Baby's Jamaican Cuisine. So today what we are dealing with some something we actually discover say can be quite delicious if you actually prepare it correctly. First time I have it was actually in a Korean barbecue restaurant. You know, we put it on the grill and you know it was already seasoned, but the way the grill do it, you know, it never really come out soft and nice and kind of too chewy. So I decide to do it my way. Actually do it in the oven and test it out, and it actually came out pretty good. So we want to kind of show you guys with this episode, you know, long awaited episode, you know, something with me discover me actually enjoy. I mean, know you kind of enjoy too. What I'm referring to is the flank steak short ribs. Very delicious if it's prepared properly, and I want you guys to join me today and you know, kind of take it in and try it out and enjoy it, you know what I'm saying? As you saw at the beginning of the video, also I've been kind of doing some other little things, you know, trying to push my design t-shirt business. I had a lot of designs going on here when I try push, so I want you guys to check it out and support the other, you see me? Like, share, subscribe, and you know, glad you're here again. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we have flank steak short ribs here. You know, you want to get the pieces that are a little bit thicker, and you know, see this fat on it here. You definitely want that. That's gonna make your thing, you know, really delicious when it all come together. You know what I'm saying? So here we have. You're gonna want a little teriyaki sauce. You know, use whatever you prefer. Me I kind of use this one here when we discover, you know, the Whole Foods market. Actually, pretty good. You know, I can make my own teriyaki sauce, but you know, for right now, we are trying to make this short and sweet. So I'm just go with a ready-made organic one. We have olive oil here, sea salt, black pepper. We have Himalayan pink salt. This actually gives the food a nice little flavor there. We have onion powder, garlic powder. So what we do, we put all or the majority of the seasoning in here. I have my sea salt, pepper. I have my pink salt in here already, and then I put some cayenne pepper as well. You know, you don't have to put any cayenne if you don't want to, but you know, with me being a Jamaican, you know, me like a little kick. And then we have a little bit of brown sugar here. You know, we call it the brown gold. We'll drop on top of that. So, first things first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on top of the meat. This is just to make sure your seasoning stick. You know, just a little bit. You'll kind of rub that on top of the meat. This is just going to give the food the ability to hold on, or the meat the ability to hold on to that seasoning, you know what I'm saying? Alright, just like that. And then you're going to be kind of generous but not too much, you know what I'm saying? You know, get your salt and you just do like this. You make sure so you cover each side of your meat with your salt. Just want to make sure that you have enough salt on each side. You notice I'm going over each section twice, just to make sure we have enough salt. If you have thinner pieces, you probably want to go a little less on the salt. You don't want it too salty. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna make a flip here. The thicker pieces you need a little bit more, so that's why I'm kind of go over it twice. We do a quick flip, and we're gonna go ahead and apply your salt here. Make sure so it's spread as evenly as possible over your meat. And then this thing's gonna be delicious, man. Trust me. You can do whatever side you'd like. For me, I'm gonna do some potato salad. You know what I'm saying? I find that it goes pretty well as a side dish to this meat. Gives the food a nice flavor. Yeah. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is just apply a little garlic powder here. Just kind of lightly sprinkle over your meat, just like that. And then a little onion powder, lightly sprinkle over the meat. Get a slight shower, yeah, just like that. I'm gonna put some brown sugar on top of that. Just like the salt, you want to make sure so they sprinkle all over, you know, both sides. It's gonna give the meat a beautiful, beautiful flavor. All right. All right. This is the final flip here. Doing that really quick. Yeah. All right. So I'm just kind of going the order I was going before. A little bit of garlic powder, slight shower. Definitely not party cloudy, but we have a slight shower. Alright, and this is the onion powder here, lightly. And you get your brown sugar. And you lightly sprinkle that over the entire meat. Yeah? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright? Alright, so what we're gonna do here now, we're gonna go ahead and cover this with a nice piece of file paper. Normally you want to make sure so the dull side is aiming downward towards the food. Part that have the most glisten, you want that upwards. Go ahead and cover that up. Make sure so it's properly sealed. And you want that to steam very well. Alright, so we're gonna put this on the oven, 275 degrees for about 2 hours, okay? Just set it and forget it. Just put it in the oven, forget about it for 2 hours. Let it do its thing. After 2 hours, you're gonna pop them open, see how it look. If it look nice and soft, then we're gonna go ahead and apply it with teriyaki sauce, alright? So check back with me. Alright, so we have 2 hours past now, family. So what we're gonna do is gonna pop this thing open here, and then we're gonna drop on our teriyaki sauce. Woo! Look at all that beautiful steam, yeah? You see all them juices there? Me not sure with none of that. All of that will be making me some nice little gravy. Yeah? So what I just a taste to see what the softness level, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Personally, it's still a little bit hard based on what I'm seeing here. Alright. Yeah, it's still a little bit tough to me, man. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop on me teriyaki sauce on top of this. I'll just be generous. So that go all over that. Yeah. Yeah, man, don't be shy, yeah? Put about half the bottle in of this. Still, is it? Yeah, just like that. Kind of roll him around a little bit. Yeah, make all that suck up. Just like that. Yeah, man, just like that. So what we have to go do, we have to go cover this. I'll probably go cover this back over and make it run for probably about another 35 minutes. I'll probably run it for another 35 minutes before I pop the top, and then make him finish off without the top for about 10 to 15 minutes. You see me? So yeah. I run it for another 35 minutes here. And check back and see how we look, yeah? Alright, so check back with me. Alright, family, so 30 minutes pass. Apply the top here. And I tell us that things are smelling really, really interesting over here. Alright, so we're going to look here right now. Got just enough hold. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and put it back in there with the top off, and we are going to run this probably about 10 to 15 minutes. I'd probably say about 10 minutes at the most. We're still on the 275 degrees, haven't moved from that yet, so we're going to kind of keep it there, yeah? Alright, so what I do now is just flip over everything in the sauce. Everything kind of I get a little bit thick. Yeah, that's how we want it, man. Yeah? Alright, just like that. Alright, so I want the sauce to kind of soak up on everything in that, yeah? Alright, so I'm going to throw this back in, like me say. It about 10 minutes and we should be good to go, alright? So check back with me. Alright family, so we here. Everything has landed and me I tell you, say boy, stuff tasting amazing, man. Right now the plate that me have set up is not the pretty plate, it's the ready to dig in plate. You see me I deal with? We ain't the pretty thing tonight, because when we make this thing you want to get tonight fast, you see me? So, we have a little potato salad on the side here. You know, some people like them thing cold, me like my thing hot or warm, you know what I'm saying? I don't like cold potato, I don't like cold food in general. So me have my potato salad there. You know, you can do whatever you want with that, that's your choice. But me have my little special thing when I do with mine, you see me? Maybe me think about showing you one day. Hit me up in the comments and let me know. But here we have you know, we have the meat, glistening, shining, looking beautiful. And then we have a side. So normally when I do, I give the side a little taste. If you kind of get the palate ready and I get the body moving, and then you dig in. So I don't know pretty thing with this thing here. You just go in with your hand and go. Oh my god. Where is the Most High? Woo! Yo. Words cannot describe. Words cannot describe. Like, share and subscribe. Link me again because I have another boomshell coming. See me? Check out the clothes store. Show your support. One love, more love, righteousness. Montego baby. Signing out. Blessed love.